What's up guys, Joey here, and today we're gonna fix nerd neck, aka tech neck. If you are brand new to the channel and you want daily tips on weight loss, muscle gain, and confidence, go ahead and click that subscribe button with the bell. Now let's jump into this. Unfortunately, nerd neck is due to usually sitting down with really bad posture, either texting for too long, playing video games, watching Netflix, or just working at a desk. So to fix this, I've got a few exercises that you can do at the gym, some stretches that you can actually do right now, and some solutions to the common causes of nerd neck. You see, the reason that people get nerd neck in the first place is due to the middle trapezius and rhomboid muscles in the upper back, which help bring the scapula or shoulder blades back to keep the shoulders back and chest open in good posture. Having forward head posture for a long period of time causes these muscles to weaken, causing a permanent forward hunch and rounded shoulders. Symptoms of long-term forward head posture include disc herniation, pinched nerves, neck instability, degenerative joint diseases, and lower back pains. Now let's jump into some exercises that you can start implementing in the gym today. Ideally, you should start implementing all of these, but if you just include one or two into your daily routine, then you will definitely start to see improvement very quickly. The very first exercise, coming by no surprise, is deadlifts. Now you don't need to have a ton of weight on the bar, but enough to where you cannot do more than 15 reps per set. Deadlifts is gonna help with nerd neck because it's gonna strengthen your core as well as your lower back, so that when you're sitting down for a long period of time, you have that foundation to keep your body up straight the entire time. And guys, you should definitely be doing this with proper form, or else you could seriously injure yourself and possibly paralyze yourself. So make sure that you understand how to do these properly. You can go ahead and do deadlifts for 3 to 4 sets per session, 1 to 2 times per week. And this next exercise you can do right now at home if you have a wall, and if you don't have a wall, go ahead and find a tree. This exercise is going to strengthen the muscles in the front of your neck as well as give you a mental idea of how to stand up with perfect posture. Stand with your heels, butt, back, and head up against a flat surface. Push your tongue to the top of your mouth. Basically, you are mewing with correct tongue posture, and if you don't know what mewing is, you should definitely watch this video next because it's extremely important. Then you just want to push your neck to the wall, holding your tongue in that place. Since this is an isometric movement, you should definitely be feeling this only, if not mostly, in the muscles in the front of your neck. Go ahead and do these for as long as you can for 3 sets per day. And the last exercise I want to go over before going into these stretches that you can start doing right now is face pulls. Ideally, you will use a cable machine at the gym with a rope attachment, but if that's not possible, you can use a resistance band or something similar and a pole for the same effect. What you want to do is put the cable just above your head level, lean back, and pull with only your trapezius. I see so many people doing this wrong at the gym, so when you're doing this, make sure that you're not just pulling or hauling the weight with your arms, but you're focusing on only pulling back with your back. This exercise is going to build up those traps and those rhomboids so it can pull your scapula back, opening up your chest to the world. Do this exercise for 3 to 4 sets, as many reps as you can, 1 to 2 times per week. 2 quick exercises that you should definitely be trying after this video are head rolls and laying chest stretches. To do head rolls, simply sit or stand with perfect posture, completely loosen your neck muscles, and roll your head in both directions. This is stretching all of the muscles equally and allowing your head to balance right on top of your shoulders. And trust me, you will feel immediate results from this. I personally like to do this every single day, a few times throughout the day, but you can do them as often as you want. And the last stretch we have is the laying chest stretch. Go ahead and lay on the floor, then pinch your shoulder blades together into the ground and tilt your head back as far as you can, bringing your chin to the sky. To fix this problem permanently, you should be practicing standing up against the wall so you can understand mentally how to stand with perfect posture, so when you're sitting down or standing up, you can practice that motion. Please just go ahead and take a second to like this video and subscribe and hit that bell notification if you're not already subscribed. We've got new videos every day on fat loss, muscle gain, and confidence building. I would love to see you back again tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.